Is Apple heading to $3 trillion? Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here, and welcome to another episode of Heise Says US. Happy New Year, and I hope you're recovering from yesterday's celebrations. Grab your stein of coffee, cup of joe, or best recovery drink, and let's have a look at this article from CNBC discussing, predictions that Apple is heading to $3 trillion. So, Gene Munster, who called Apple's run to $2 trillion, says a path to $3 trillion is in sight. Tech investor Gene Munster told CNBC on Thursday he sees a reasonable path for Apple to reach a $3 trillion market capitalization in the future. The iPhone maker became the first publicly traded US company to reach a $2 trillion market cap in August, a milestone Munster foresaw in January when he made the case for the stock to trade 50% higher. As of Thursday, with its stock around $133 per share, Apple was valued at almost $2.3 trillion. Munster, who covered Apple as a long-time analyst at investment bank Piper Jaffray, said on Squawk Box that he believes the California-based company can realistically reach $200 per share. That would put its market cap over $3 trillion. It needs to be anchored in earnings. That's the powerful piece about the Apple story, said Munster, who co-founded venture capital firm Loop Ventures. He said his prediction is based on the Apple trading at a price-to-earnings ratio or multiple of 35 for 2022 earnings estimates. It's a year out, but I'm fast-forwarding the conversation to the middle and back half of next year, and we'll be talking about 2022 at that point. If the market can sustain these 35 multiples, we're not talking about an Amazon-like multiple here. I think that the path is there, Munster said. Apple's current price-to-earnings ratio is almost 41, after the stock soared about 81% this year. Amazon, which has seen its stock rise about 76% this year, trades at roughly a 95 multiple. One catalyst that could help propel Apple higher is the larger adoption of remote work spurred by the pandemic, Munster said. This is generally thought of as a play on iPhone, a 5G play. That's good. That will impact the numbers in a positive way, but this acceleration of digital transformation, I think it's powerful, Munster said. People working from anywhere are going to be arming up in the next 12 to 24 months, buying more Macs, iPad services. Munster also repeated his belief that Apple's multiple could withstand further expansion as investors reconsider the company, which has in recent years pushed to generate more revenues from services to augment its sales of hardware. For his part, Munster said he thinks Apple could leverage its hardware business into a service, such as buying a Mac on a subscription. He believes that that's coming, and more talk about orders is a big opportunity for Apple's multiple, Munster said, alluding to reports about Apple potentially making an electronic car in a few years. More generally, he said he believes Apple will continue its strong stock performance in 2021, especially compared with its so-called FANG brethren. In addition to Apple, the group of tech companies also includes Amazon, Facebook, Google, parent Alphabet, and Netflix. We think that there will be further fracturing of FANG, Munster said, with Facebook and Netflix lagging Apple and Amazon. I think for 2021, the performance is going to come again from Apple. It may seem tone deaf for a company to lead FANG for 3 years straight, but I think that in fact will happen. I think this has a track to $200 per share. So let's jump over to TradingView and let's have a look. Right now we're sitting at $132.69 US a share, and the technicals are saying buy. And what are people saying here in the ideas? What are we saying here in the idea? Apple buy 133.34. Apple rejection and dark cloud cover spell downside. Okay, so we've got 2 on here. We'll have a look here at the long one. And what do we have here? We'll play these new bars. So if you had a bought there, you wouldn't be doing too well. We'll have to see. And let's jump over here. And Oh, that's a video. We can't play that one. Well, so kind of a mixed bag. You know, long, short, long. What else? Long. What do you think, everyone? Are you a fan of Apple? I've invested in them, and yeah, we'll just sit there and see how it goes. Why not a bit of exposure to it? Their products, while not the best, are the easiest to use for a lot of people, and they've got a cult following. We'll have to see, everyone. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and want to support the content I create here, there are a few ways you can. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. Support us using our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or Aussie Broadband. You can buy merch from Heise Says, use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.